Welcome to Tao channel again. So last time I have demonstrated about how to host a website or static content in S3. But as you know that S3 is just the storage for static content. But for the website, I mean global website, we can use another technology we call that is a CloudFront, which is kind of CDN that can catch the request uh, to S location. Therefore, the latency will be better. For example, you host the website in United States, but you have a customers in Asia or Europe. At that time, if you use S3 only, it will be very slow. But if you use CloudFront, it will speed up your website a lot. So now first I want to create a S3 for this purpose to host the website. I can call that is my hosting static, my static content. Now I just put everything as default and I block all public access because this time I want to use the CloudFront. Therefore, I don't need to publish the S3. Everything is like this and just create the bucket. My static content for CloudFront. Okay. So now if I create this bucket, you see that we have a bucket here. Then I can upload a file. I just create a simple HTML file and then I upload this one. Now I will open another tab. So and I go to CloudFront. You see that S3 is in United States, but now I will go to CloudFront. It is a global service. So if I create a distribution, I choose origin, I can select my S3 bucket here and it will name like this. Is optional. You can put the public access. Bucket must allow public access, but because we don't want that, we can use origin access control setting. This is recommended because we protect our S3 bucket. And this one you just need to create ORC. This one will create that automatically for you. You can choose whatever you want and create. Now you need to update the bucket policy. So then just everything is okay. Choose we don't have a certificate, so we don't need to use that. We just use the HTTP. I don't want to use this for this demo. Web application firewall for protect your website from DDoS or other thing. I just change that and now I can create a distribution. Now you see that the CloudFront will access the S3. Therefore, you need to create a policy which allows CloudFront to access S3, and it's AWS already create that policy for you. Just copy here and then you go to S3 bucket. And where is my S3 bucket? I close this one and just keep the permission here, block all, and you can edit the bucket policy here and paste here. This policy that allow service CloudFront to access S3 get object, and this is S3 bucket, and this is a principal. That is a CloudFront on. Now after this one, you can save change. After this, everything will be okay. Now need to refresh this one. You don't see the policy anymore. And now if you go here, you just wait for a moment to the distribution takes some time to distribute globally. Now after a while for deploying globally, you see that it's not modified here. That means it's distributed globally. So now if I copy this one using HTTP protocol with this SN, and I let me see, I want to access hello, you see that now you can access the hello.html from this. Now after that, right now I have the hello.com here. If I change this one, how can I do S1 for example? I put here paragraph, please subscribe my channel, thank you. So if I change this one and I deploy again in S3, how can I do? I just remove this one and then just put permanently delete outside. After that, I can upload the file again. Okay, this is a new file. However, when I try to refresh this page, it doesn't work. Why? Because the previous content is cached, therefore it cannot be updated. Now if I want to update, I can manually go to here invalidation and create invalidation. I want to erase everything, so therefore I just create this one. It will erase all the cache of this CloudFront, and just wait for a few seconds. It will erase all the content for this hello.html. It's completed. Now if I refresh this page, you see, welcome to CloudFront S3. Please subscribe my channel, thank you. That's it for today. Thank you so much for your watching. I really appreciate your support. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. If you have any question or feedback, you can leave a comment below the videos, or you can also email directly to me from my website https://taowu.org. See you in weekly videos at 10 a.m. CST, Saturday or Sunday. I will try to record more videos if I have more time, but I will try to have at least one new video for you guys every week. Thank you.